Good morning, dear student. I'm Ruman Ansari, faculty of Modern Group of Institution. Today I'm going to explain the concept of computer application in pharmacokinetics. So what is pharmacokinetics? Pharmacokinetics is described as what the body does to a drug and refer to the movement of drug in throughout the body with absorption, bioavailability, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. What is the role of computer in pharmacokinetics? So, computer aided in pharmacokinetics to quantify the distribution or disposition and pharmacological effect and prediction of safety and efficiency. In the past 20 years, some pharmacokinetics programs has been developed for clinical approaches. It is also provide the help to the clinicians, analysts, and also provide some reporting of drug concentration data for various medications. Computational techniques in pharmacy. In a pharmacy sector, computer play an important role for accurate and efficient work and also provide the work progress with the numerous technological softwares and method for solving the problems. Scientists and pharmacists uses technological approach in pharmacy softwares in pharmacokinetics. Some softwares are used in pharmacokinetics to resolve the problems or equations with the help of softwares like ADME, SS, some linear, non-linear softwares, absorption, distribution, metabolism, and exertions. These are the properties of pharmacokinetics uses to solve the equations or problems. After using the various software, we got the result for development of study design and statistical treatment of data. With the robust software solutions, it is easy to manage analysis and report the data. And some PKPD softwares allowed researcher to predict the properties like absorptions, bioavailability, distribution, metabolism, exertion for the new drug. TDMS software is also used for individual pharmacokinetics for linear and non-linear data. So basically these pharmacokinetics is a branch where we can use the computers or technological approach to resolve the problems, to analysis the drug or some manage or analysis the data regarding the drugs. Some softwares, some commercial softwares also uses in pharmacokinetics like Kinetica, PKSim, Calcunism, Data Kinetics, and SAM2nd. These are some commercial softwares also uses in pharmacokinetics. So the conclusion is various softwares are used in pharmacokinetics to resolve the problems at individual level or the commercial level, to analysis the data or report the data. The some main softwares are uses regarding the drug history, also gaining some data for selecting the method by linear or non-linear way, or some pharmacokinetics properties also involved in this softwares. So this was all about the pharmacokinetics. I hope you all are understood. Thank you.